Hello buddy and welcome to my channel. I'm assassinghost and today we are going to learn how you can create a T-shirt design mockup in Adobe Photoshop CC 2018. So before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel. We are already at 705 subscribers and let's get it to 1,000 subscribers. And if you want to learn about other Adobe Muse and Adobe Photoshop tricks, there is a playlist called Adobe and you can go ahead and take a look at this playlist. It contains videos and tutorials about Adobe Muse and Adobe Photoshop. So if you like this video, leave a like and also subscribe. And now let's get started. First of all, start Adobe Photoshop and import the PSD file, which I will upload to Mediafire. And also remember that I will upload it on Mediafire, so you won't have any advertisements or any malware or something like that. It's going to be a direct link. You just have to click on the link in the description and go to Mediafire and download it directly. Now before further ado, let's go and see how we can navigate through this T-Shirt MockUp.pst. So if you take a look at here, it says T-Shirt design, and this will contain both the inside design and the main design. What I mean by the main design and inside design is that this is your main design, which says your design here, and this is your inside design. So if you want, you can do this both. And also this shirt has some features like the hanger. You can enable or disable the hanger directly by clicking on this layer visibility icon. So I'm just going to disable it, and first of all let's just close it and go to the shirt. We can see we have the mask for the shirt shadow and the shirt itself. Along with, we can change the colors of the background. So if you want, you can just disable these, or let's just say you want to enable a different color at the place of this. So you can just click on it, go to blending options, right click, go to blending options and go to color overlay. Here you can define any color you like, and you can even go ahead and define a gradient. This will make your T-shirt stand out, and I will highly recommend that you should change what you want. After that, you can play with the lightings if you wish to do so, and you can also change the design of this tag. So if you don't want this tag altogether, you can just go ahead and disable it. I'm just going to disable it. Now for creating the design, you have two options. The first option is directly going to the Shirt Designs folder, which is a group, and let's just say I'm going to delete the inside and outside layers by selecting them and pressing the delete button. And with the Shirt Designs group selected, I can go ahead and use the text tool and I can type assassin ghost. I can change the color. And I can just change the color, so let's make it white, and you can just rearrange it by using the move tool, of course. And also you can just go to the custom shape tools and you can draw any shape if you want. I'm just going to draw this nice X, and once we are done, it will look something like this. And also if you have troubles dragging this image, it's because the lighting. So you can go ahead to the lighting group and you can just lock it. Now you can drag whatever you want on the T-shirt without disturbing the lighting. So this is actually a really simple tutorial, and I'm starting a new series which will include this type of mock-up designs like T-shirt designs, mock-up to a website, or mock-up of a different device, let's say mock-up to iPhone, mock-up to Android device, and other stuff. So this was basically a small video with some basic stuff about how to create a T-shirt design. And if you like this video, please leave a like, and also make sure to subscribe. Go to my other playlist and check for other videos, and I'll be releasing more videos, complex videos in this segment. This was a really short video, and as always, thanks for watching.